in a dull life. SG-706 Fold Portable UAV with a 4K adjustable camera, the image is cleaner. Pursue the yearning life together. Live stream positioning, make the flying more stable. Intelligent control, flying by heart. Remain within whatever you like to do to pursue your dream. Photo taking by gesture. Video recording by gesture. Record all the happy time.
Go ahead and get real about the Tello. This drone has brushed motors on here. It is not brushless motors, guys, so keep that in mind when you're buying this. This is kind of hobby grade toy drone. Replaceable parts on here. You can get new props and accessories for it, but it is a little nicer than something you typically see like the Wingsland, the X1. That's not quite as nice as this. You can see the infrared sensors on the bottom. We have the on-off button on the side, the USB port right here. It's going to charge up that battery in about an hour and a half. I wish it would charge a little bit faster, but let me go ahead and pull that battery out for you guys. That's a 1S 1100 milliamp, and you'll see the light blinking while it's charging, and when it's fully charged you'll see a solid blue light there. And it does have plastic bumpers on the bottom of the frame here for those hard landings. Not too big of a deal there, but it does look nice with prop guards off, and it's actually going to fly a little bit better once you take the prop guards off. You're going to get a better flight characteristic out of it. You're just going to get a better performance out of the quad. Now, if you go to the Google Play Store, you can download your app for the Tello app for your Android phone and in iOS. You can also get multiple color canopies, which is kind of cool, and you can Bluetooth link it to any controller. Now, the props on here, they're 3-inch props, and you also get a prop remover tool. These are not spin-on props. These are just push-on props, very easy to put on and off. You also get a manual inside, and mine happens to be all in Chinese because I got the Chinese version here. And this is the DJI cable that normally comes with DJI drones, but for this one, there is no DJI cable or any cable in the box, so you have to provide your own. Now, weight-wise, this is pretty light. It's under 250 grams, so don't worry about the FAA takeoff weight. Even with the prop guards, we're looking at 89.2 grams total takeoff weight, so no need to register this quadcopter. Now, it also supports VR mode, which is kind of cool. So if you want to FPV this one with your device, say Google Cardboard, you can make some goggles and you can fly this one in below. It's not bad. In conjunction with Rise, it's a pretty cool and fun to fly little quadcopter. So thanks for hanging out with me, you guys, and checking out my review of the DJI Tello. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.